All right, so I was looking through my channel, and believe it or not, I've actually have never reviewed TidyCal. So this is going to be a full review and overview of TidyCal. Now, TidyCal is a native app built by AppSumo back in 2017. So they're at like 9 years in the making, and this is a full-fledged alternative to the popular, well-known Calendly that I believe is like $30 a month. So this is a full-blown Calendly. It has everything in it built in, all the different payment processors, PayPal, Stripe. You can book meetings the way that you want. You can block out different times that you're available. They've just added so much. You can do group meetings, even group paid meetings. You could charge before bookings. You can set up subscriptions, reoccurring. If you're a coach, it's very, very popular with coaching. There's just so much that you can do. They even have a review system. They've added recently, I guess this is a newer or recent, added an agency plan right over here. So that'll allow up to 25 calendars, and then integrated calendars over here on the individual plan is 10. And then team members, you have unlimited, and bookings per month is unlimited. So the agency is probably the way to go. You're just not going to have the limitations. And then they have all this right over here as well. SMS reminders, dedicated team pages, team collective pages, and team round robin meetings, and reply to. A lot to do there. And then founded in 2017, like I said, right here. So this is one of and it does have a 4.3 star rating out of 922 ratings right there. Okay, so I'm gonna just go jump in right now. This is the website right over here. And what I like to do, I was curious, like how good they've done with their marketing. And I mean, we're looking at almost 800,000 visitors to the site per month. That's a massive software. A great job with just like their own marketing and getting the word out there about TidyCal. So that is no easy task right there to get up closer to 1 million per month, which is really, really awesome. So you can see right over here, they have almost 9 million bookings processed. Businesses trust TidyCal through almost 350,000, and over 27 million has been paid to providers using the booking features, is what that looks like right there. They also have had product of the day and product of the week on different platforms, G2, Product Hunt, all those kind of things right there. So they've got some accolades there to kind of show off as well. There's another cool thing over here. You can click on directory, and they actually have a directory. So if I went over here and I wanted to go and look at like tech and development, and I wanted to go and see, like, they have all these people in here, and there's thousands of people that, that you have your people that are using TidyCal. And if they have a review, it'll be right here. This booking right over here with this guy, AI coaching call, $500. So you can see when they're charging for them, when they're free to book for a consultation call, things like that. So that's really usually a strategy, a 15-minute consultation call. And then if someone wants to hire you as a coach or something like that, then you would actually send them another booking type, but I'll show you when we get into the software. That's when you would send them that booking type, and then they could actually pay for it. So this is the site here. One last thing I want to go over is also the pricing that they have on their site right over here, which is still integrated with over here. You want to buy it on AppSumo. If you're going to buy one of these right here, the individual plan for $29 or the agency plan $79. But if you want, for pros who want it all, you can go right over here for monthly, or even down to $8 a month if you pay yearly. And this really is, the way to go if you just want everything. Some of the stuff that, let's see, I'm just trying to look over here on the pro plan, right over here, the priority support. Really, it just looks like the priority support is the reason to go monthly if you need priority support and so forth like that. So definitely the agency plan is what I would recommend. We're going to jump right over here into the software. So on the dashboard, it's going to give you like some growth actions, some things that you could do. I have some members in my community, Bettina and Brett. I've scheduled with them one-on-ones. It's saying that I could go and send them a reoccurring revenue subscription. We could create that subscription, send that over to them, and start making money from, like coaching calls, things like that. Text or DM someone who would book, add a bookmark appointment to your LinkedIn. So it has these growth type things, Instagram right there and stuff like that, email signature. So pretty cool there. We can go take a look at my booking page. So this is what the booking page, you actually have a website that you can create that will look more like a landing page and a website and everything. So if you want it to look a little bit more fancy, and then right over here, you would just go in here. You can actually go and edit this. I obviously need to probably put more stuff in here about my booking page. It's very blank, empty right now, but I've used this before and it works just fine. You send people their link and they book with you. You just want to get people to the calendar and they can book time with you. Chances are they already know you. They don't really need to read a whole lot. They just need to go and book on your calendar. Here's what my page looks like right here. We'll go and add a payment option to this, and then we'll come back and take a look at what it looks like and how that actually works. So this would be my main booking page. If someone wants a 15-minute, 30-minute, or an hour, people can come in here. If they want to book an hour, then they come in here. It's going to show the entire calendar. And you can see, like, if someone clicks on a Saturday, nothing happens. If someone clicks on a Sunday, nothing happens. But you can see I'm available 10:30 to 11:30 today, tomorrow 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So that's really, and then you can go into the next month. So 11:30 is the last time you can book with me, because I don't want my day to go past like 12:30 is what it sounds like. So I really work mornings, early mornings. So all my booking times are pretty much the front loaded in the day. We'll come back over here. So that is the booking page. You go up and you set all that up. Then you just go over here to your booking. It's very simple. I have the 60-minute link. I have a 30 and a 15, but you can create a new booking right over here. You can select the booking type, what kind of, what the length is right there, their time zone, the guest email, things like that. You can go and do all that as well. And then you have over here a booking types. So if we go to a new booking type, you would just set that over here. If you want to do group bookings, one-on-one reoccurring packages, a bundle of sessions sold together, you can do that. A subscription does require Stripe. It doesn't work with PayPal. PayPal only works with one-off payments. So I'll be showing you that as well. But this is where you set up like the type of meetings and booking types that you want. Here's where you set up all your availability, right? So there we go, from 8 to 1, I'm available, but I have it in here, a rule that there's like a buffer. So that's why it doesn't actually it won't let people book a 1-hour call past, like 11:30, right? Because it won't let you book a 60-minute meeting at 12:30, because that would put me over 1 o'clock, right? So it's intelligent the way that it works. You can set a new schedule there. You can have multiple different schedules. And right over here, if like I wanted to make sure that 12 to 1 was available for like lunch on some of these days, then you would just go with a new window and you would actually go from 8 to like 12. So I would go 12 p.m. So 8 to 12. And then right over here, we would resume this at 1. So I would actually put like 1 M right here. And then we would put like right over here to like maybe 2 or something like that, right? So if I wanted to go to 1 to 2 right there, that I'm also available. And then we would save that. So then now it would guarantee that we have an hour off for lunch, if that makes sense. From 12 to 1, we have an hour off. We can go back over to the booking page real quick. And this is the 60-minute meeting. Push refresh. It should be updated. And then we'll come back over here. All right. So now you have teams. You can add team members right over here. I would need the agency. This gives you the collective meetings, the round robin, the managed types, all that kind of stuff. So you need the agency plan for that. And then you have subscriptions over here. So this is where you could create subscriptions, 1 session a month, 2 sessions a month, 4 sessions a month, all that kind of stuff. Really, really good for like a coaching type of business. You would need to set up your Stripe. I'll show you how to do that in just a minute as well. You have coupons. You can actually create coupons and allow coupons to be added, especially for obviously for paid meetings right there. So you can offer special coupons for people as well. When people book with you, it will automatically save contacts right over here in your contacts. And then you have emails right here. You can have up to 3 automated emails just from the system alone, which is awesome. And you can see like what this looks like. So if we can click on it right after the meeting, it'll say hi and then their contact name, and it just says, how did your booking go? I hope you enjoyed your booking. I'd love to hear your feedback. It only takes a few minutes. So you're actually going to, kind of solicit a review right after your meeting, and you can turn that off. You don't have to do that. And then 30 minutes after, you're going to just ask them, hey, it was a pleasure working with you. Hope to see you soon. Kind of more like just thank you for booking with me and kind of a follow-up or something like that. And then you could actually have this go out And you could say, maybe 14 days after booking. I'd like to say 30 days after booking would be nice, but 14 days after booking, 3 days, whatever you want to do. And it would say, I hope things are great since your last booking type. If you're ready to book again, I'd love to see you. You can change that to your own words and try to make it a little bit better. And then it'll just send the link over there too. So this is all automated. You can turn it on or off, which is super, super cool as well. Here's that review feature as well. And as you can definitely tell that this is just a full-blown, fully developed tool. This isn't something that you could just build overnight and have all this functionality in here. So there's a lot of options in here. So you can create a review link right over here. And this is kind of like what the review link would look like. How was your experience? Leave David Mills a review. You put your name, email, and then you would put, your star rating, and then they would put in if they want, and then they would submit the review. This is also the page that will be sent in that automated email follow-up right over here to get a review. That's the link that will be sent right there as well. So you also can fully control your notifications right over here, right? So this is where you would be able to control all your notifications and stuff. You have your integrations right over here. You have Microsoft, you have Apple, you have your Google account, you have all your calendars and everything. And then you can import automatically if you're coming from Calendly, which they obviously have a lot of customers coming from Calendly paying $30 to $50 plus per month for these features that you can literally get for a lifetime deal, which is just nuts. This is definitely one of those tools that really kind of defines what a lifetime deal should be, and what it's used for is it literally, if you buy even the tier 1 at 29 or the 79 agency plan, you're literally going to save yourself a monthly payment right here. So a really, really true changing lifetime deal. This is definitely one. And when I book meetings and stuff like that, I definitely use TidyCal. And you can see I had contacts in there. I do use this. I just don't do a whole lot of like a coaching and meetings like this. In my school communities, I have a group coaching calls and stuff like that every single week, but I don't really do this. But if I was going to add coaching to my business, I would definitely be using TidyCal. So you can go and import that from Calendly, which is cool. You have your video conferencing, Zoom, Google Meet. That one's already automatically added because of my Gmail account. You have Microsoft Teams you can use as well. You have payments, Stripe, and you have PayPal right there. Then you have even Google Analytics. You can set this up to where you can actually see the traffic and everything that's going to your booking pages. So you can actually manage that, or the website that you have over here as well. Here's the SMS. You will have to unlock, I believe, to the agency plan in order to have that as well. And then you have automations right here. You can use Zapier, SendFox. So you can connect your SendFox account, which is another AppSumo that they created about 8 years ago. Fully developed email marketing software that I just did a review on yesterday or the day before, I believe. Connect your SendFox account to automatically add booking attendees to your email lists. So you can do that. Or at the end of the day, all these contacts right over here, they would just get put on a list, which is really, really good for just automation. Because then you can go in there and, as you build up your work and you have a couple hundred people that you've met with, you would be able to email them once a month or a couple times a month, let them know what you're up to. Also send them maybe coupon deals to get more people in the door for coaching and stuff like that. So it's just a really fully fledged kind of very aimed at using meetings in your business to make money, or even just like the way that I've used it is just like, hey, book a meeting with me. I've even booked meetings with my school community members. Or, if they needed extra help, I would just send them a link and say, hey, let's get on a call or something like that. So works really well, whether you are going for the coaching and the paying options or not. And then you have your settings over here. So you have your preferences, your time zone that you can change this to a dark mode. You have your bookings right over here. You have your account, you have your trusted devices, you have your custom domain. You can actually add a custom domain in here. What plan you're on. So I'm on a lifetime tier 1, and this is an older plan. I have this from a long time ago. So, maybe I don't know if things have changed since maybe I purchased, but you can even see right over here, round robin meetings. It looks like they gave everybody. Wait, so I don't have this. This is the stuff that I don't have. right there. And if you want to get rid of the branding on your pages, I believe you do have to get Pro, and Pro is the monthly or annual membership. So, and that just makes sense for a tool like this. They have to do something to bring in more members, to continue to build the tool, host the tool, and all the, the costs of running the tool. And so for people that are willing to pay just as low as $8 a month, then you can actually remove the TidyCal branding and stuff like that. And then you have themes right over here as well. So what you would do over here is, if I wanted to go over to my bookings over here, or my booking types, I believe, and let's just say I have a 60-minute meeting right over here. I can go and copy the link. I can enable, or disable. I can share this, but let's say I go to the three dots here. You can get how many reviews you have on that particular meeting type. You can share your review link. You can do a bunch of different things. You can embed this on your website with code, all that, embed in an email and email signature. But if I wanted to go over here and go to edit, then this is where I could actually come over here and do a bunch of other settings right over here, right? And there's even advanced options right over here. You can actually add questions before people get to book with you. They have to answer some required questions. Groups and guests, the primary calendar. You can select what primary calendar to use. Visibility. There's just a lot of different things you can do. You can actually go in here and change like what it's actually going to look like. So you can really just, make this look the way that you want to. And then you can come over here to the availability, obviously, for that particular meeting, but then pricing and subscriptions right over here. And then you have your packaging, allow clients to book multiple meetings at once. You can do that as well. But if I wanted to go over here, and so if I click on subscription, it is going to say that you have to have Stripe account connected to do the subscription based. But if we go into per booking, then I could go and select that PayPal as an option, and then I could push save, right? So now we have that saved, and now we can go and take a look at my booking page, which I did change the look of it, I think, right there. It just looks really nice. And now you can see that there's a 1-hour booking session with David, and I have it as $1. We need to go and make sure it starts at $1. You want to go over here. Let's just say that it's $150. And then I just push save, and then we would go and just push refresh, and then you would see that the cost is $150 for an hour session. Book a meeting right over here. So if someone comes in here and they want to book a meeting with me today, they'd go like this, and then they would have to go and pay with PayPal. Before you can submit this, you actually have to pay with PayPal. You put your name, email, pay with PayPal. Now, if you had those questions in there, they would also have a questions section in here as well. So this is TidyCal. It doesn't, like a lifetime deal doesn't get any better than this. $29. Never have to pay again. All of your business being ran. For me, I would just do $150 session booking. If I wanted to do the package and all that, I can do that. I just have to set up Stripe and everything. But like this, literally, even on the individual lifetime plan, basically for a solopreneur, it covers everything that you would need, up to 10 meeting types, calendar connections, all kinds of stuff, right? And if you need more than that, the agency lifetime plan, there'll be a link below to go and pick this up. I highly recommend TidyCal. This is one of those, like I said, true lifetime deal softwares that meets a business need, and truly holds its own against the competitor. So there'll be a link below. Thanks so much for joining me in this deep dive review on TidyCal. I'll see you next time.